There are places you visit once and remember for the rest of your life. And then there is Iceland, a land that can never truly be possessed, a land that cannot be exhausted in a single journey, a story that can never be told just once. Iceland will always challenge. It surprises you when you think you understand it. It tests you when you believe you finally found your rhythm. On this island, the encounter with nature is so powerful, honest, and unforgiving. Here, the road is rarely easy. Light changes without warning, and the weather rewrites your plans. And a wind, constant and relentless, can force even the most determined traveler to stop. Few places demand as much from you. From your body, from your mind, and from your imagination. Suspended between Europe and North America, Iceland feels like another world, a living masterpiece of nature. A primordial laboratory where the planet itself is still at work, moving, breathing, reshaping the land before your eyes. Iceland is an enchantment, a spell. And like many powerful spells, it can become addictive. This is where the Iceland Blues are born. They begin with the silent movement of glaciers, advancing, retreating, sculpting the land over centuries. With iceberg drifting slowly through glacial lagoons. Across the lava plains, Icelandic horses move through rain and snow, enduring, proud, while the northern wind sweeps endlessly across the land, with volcanoes reminding us that beneath our feet the earth is alive. Geyser burst skyward like signals from the depth of time. Waterfalls plunge from ancient cliffs with hypnotic force. And beyond the coast, whales rise slowly from the dark waters of the Arctic Ocean. After experiencing Iceland, you are left with conflicting emotions. But one thing is certain, you will never forget it. For many, the island leaves something behind, a quiet mark deep within the heart. And when that happens, something begins to grow, the seed of Icelandic nostalgia. Once it takes root, the desire to return becomes inevitable. face the island again, to experience its beauty once more, this time with deeper awareness. Because with every year that passes, you see Iceland differently. Not only because the island changes, but because you do. Your eye becomes more attentive, your passions deeper, your art more mature. Returning to Iceland means confronting your own evolution. Are you now more capable of capturing the faint light brushing across a glacier? More patient while waiting for the perfect moment beside a roaring waterfall? More humble when a sudden storm reminds you who truly commands this land? Iceland is a fickle and irresistible protagonist. It cannot be controlled. One day, it offers you a sky on fire. The next, it hides everything you came to see. Its beauty is elusive, fleeting, and precisely for that reason, it calls you back. Again and again, every return becomes a new challenge, a test of your skills, of your vision, but above all, of your character. Because in the presence of such a powerful nature, you learn humility, resilience, and the quiet art of listening. And so, you return to Iceland not only to see glaciers, volcanoes, and waterfalls once more. You return to measure yourself, to understand who you have become, to discover that the deepest exploration is never only about the world around you, but about the world within. The Iceland Blues may feel like an obsession, but they are also a gift, a call to reconnect with nature, with its ancient forces, and perhaps it's something essential inside ourselves. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Ciao.
Let me teach you what that 美女们啊，加油干啊！有味道啊，流大汗啊！嘿走，嘿走，嘿走！加油干啊！加油干啊！有病到啊！有病到啊！流大汗啊！流大汗啊！还走走，还走走，还走走，还走走，还走走，还走走。